In the future, what form will a hypercar take? Sculpted by wind, where resistance and force are perfectly balanced. Where performance and comfort move in sync. Technology comes from nature and becomes intuition. Everything unfolds around you. Xiaomi Vision Gran Turismo, alive